Look how cute our room is in the city centre. How adorable. So cute. We miss the rice so much and meat so much. We are staying there where it says pension. How convenient. Smack bang in the middle of Granada. So this is salmon, egg and hollandaise sauce. Guys, this is a door. This whole thing. Kiara, go stand. I don't know what that sauce is though. You said it's called tarato. The sauce. We're on the way to the
Nasrid Palaces.
Nasrid Palaces.
I don't know.
To the palaces, guys.
there's a Christian man and a Muslim sultan, and they're fighting over the Christian lady in the tower. That's why she's praying with the hands closed.
But she's praying in the direction of the sultan. She
And
wants the sultan.
then she wants the sultan. then the sultan kills the Christian man, and then I guess
They get married.
happy ever after.
And these are the 11 sultans of the 10 sultans of the kingdom. Empire. Guys, we're so cold. We're looking for any source of heat right now. It's not even that cold though compared to London, but it's just chilly. Try seeing it. It worked. Come. Guys, there's a lizard. It's right there. Ah! I mean, it could be a gecko, but it looks quite different. I can't get over this view. Is that snow on the mountain? Wow. So apparently they built this into the stairwell up to the mosque for wudu. They were all about convenience. Okay, so we're trying Spanish omelette and croquettes. Oh, that's cauliflower and white chocolate croquette. Weird combo, but let's see. Wait, this is a wok. It shouldn't have soup, right? Yeah. It's ramen, basically. Well, anyway. We got most falafel sandwiches. And Kara got shawarma. We got the one. last breakfast in Spain. Falafel guy is still in our hearts. We're eating the sandwiches he made for us for the airport.
Se vuelve loco mi pensamiento, no vivo pero lo siento.